Hi, I'm Skylar. If you'd like to use Delicious with Google Chrome, I recommend this extension. It's called Delicious Bookmarks. Once you add it, you'll see this little doohickey in the upper right-hand corner. And let's take a look at how it behaves. Okay, so here's a page I want to remember. And I'll click my little button. Up comes the Delicious window. I've logged into my account already. I'm going to tag this. So 50D raw video, CF card, SSD, etc. And I can make a comment on this. Let's see, CF card pass through. And I can make it public. I can tweet it if I want, and I'll just click Save Link. All right, here's my profile, and we can see the link I just saved. I can sort things by tags and view bundles right here. It's a really great, simple, easy way to access Delicious bookmarks. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.